Alright, so this is interesting. YouTube recently has emailed us with algorithm things, and this is important because it's directly from YouTube, so let's just go ahead and get into it. So how to reach your audience, and want to know how or why? Yes, I do. So what's the algorithm? So an insider tip, that's exactly what this is and why it's important. So specifically, the algorithm pays attention to viewers. So don't focus on the algorithm, focus on videos that make the viewers happy. They track what we watch, how long we watch, and what we skip, etc. So how do we recommend videos is what the thing is? Well, that's how. Plan your programming. Things like how long your videos are and how often you post are what we'd call programming. Learn some tips about what trends to work best for attracting and entertaining viewers, how to build a content calendar, and more. Yeah, that's really interesting, and now we have use data to make decisions, so go deeper with analytics. So apparently if the audience is important, you gotta know them by watching studying their watching habits, viewingness. Ooh, spot opportunities to make money, that's cool. Advanced mode seems to help a lot, like determining what video length works best for your viewers. So you really want to know who your viewers are, like what time of day they get on, and etc. And of course, you don't want to always be changing it up, but you do want to be keeping it unique. For example, collabs, YouTube Live, pivot your content. I guess it's not always an easy decision, but sometimes a pivot in your channel's content is necessary. Okay, it's usually a bad idea. You gotta niche down, but sure, change it up, I guess. Start a second channel. That's probably a bad idea. You want to just put all your eggs in one basket, kind of, in this instance, but okay. And then keep it fun. Creative burnout is real. Prioritize your well-being. So don't upload. It's how you get big on YouTube, is what it's telling me. And then of course you have Addison Rae, the face of everything. So I don't think this was very helpful for me, but there's actually another one of these. So specifically YouTube wants us to make thumbnails that stand out and to get their videos discovered. Okay, well, let's get more tips to see exactly how YouTube wants us to do this. So make thumbnails that catch the eye. Okay, is there anything new that we should know in this video? So thumbnails should be attractive, they should be clean, they should use the same branding as your banner. Is that true? Is that in the algorithm? I don't think this is the case at all. Includes a human element? Okay. Use variety when making thumbnails. I used to do the same in all my thumbnails. Always the same style and the same face. But, which is okay, but, so I started making faces. There's no but, is there? There's no but. I think people feel more encouraged to watch my video if you can use different styles of thumbnails for different shows on your shows? Shows? Alright, well I think that's pretty much as much helpful information as we're gonna get out of that. How much did I like it? Alright, and that being said, thanks everyone, and have a day, Aprils.